Want to run your favorite Android apps on your PC? Whether it's gaming, productivity, or social media, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you step by step that how to install Android apps on your computer and run them very smoothly. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be running Android apps on PC like a pro. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to help me in growing my channel. The first step is to download the setup. To do that, open your browser and search for Smart Gaga. Scroll down and click on this website. Now click Download button to download setup file. See, it has started downloading. Once the downloading is completed, open the file to start installing process. Follow all steps to install. Once the installation is completed, it will run automatically. You can see how smoothly the things are working. Once the installation is completed, it will run automatically. You can see how smoothly the things are working. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.